to the left, to the right. Stand up, sit down, to the left, to the right. Lean forward, lean backward, to the left, to the right. Stand up, sit down, to the left, to the right. Oh, how I love Jesus. Oh, how I love Jesus. Oh, how I love Jesus. Because He first loved us.
Natin itawag personal relationship with God. Why not practice bisan 30 minutes nga pagbasa sa Bible and then prayer. Kaya kung ihimo lang himuon, himo ang imong kagalingon ano nga nagitawag intimate relationship sa inyo. Number 2, connecting in the vine. It means we are connected sa kanang gitawag na source. So, ingon tayo sa John chapter 15 verse 5. I am the vine and you are the branches. If you abide in me and I in you, you will bear much fruit. A branch cannot bear fruit on its own. It must remain connected to the trunk. Di ba? Di ka makakita o ka ng sanga nga namunga tapos separate siya sa kanang trunk sa kahoy. Dapat connected siya. So a branch cannot bear fruit on its own. Ingon ni Jesus, I am the vine and you are the branches na ka-attach sa akwa. So without the Lord Jesus Christ, if we are not connected sa ato ang gitawag source, di ka makabunga.